Hi, Dr. T here. Why do we often feel the need to restrict ourselves before and after the holidays? As we gear up for festive times, there's this common notion to save up calories or hit the gym harder. And the same happens post-holidays, rushing to make up for the indulgence. But have you ever wondered why we put ourselves through this cycle? Imagine this. Instead of seeing food as something we need to earn or compensate for, we listen to what our body truly needs. Sounds liberating, right? Giving yourself permission to enjoy food, to celebrate without guilt, is not just kinder to your mind and body, but it's also a sustainable way to maintain a healthy lifestyle. It's about tuning into your body's cues. Are you really hungry, or are you just eating because there's food around? Are you eating certain foods because you enjoy them or because you feel like you should? This holiday season, let's try something different. Let's eat mindfully, savor the flavors, and most importantly, enjoy the moments without the shadow of restriction looming over us. If this resonates with you, take Deprogram Diet Culture at a new-insight.com.